Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how to install and manage extensions on Google Chrome. Start by going to Google Chrome's extension web store. The extension I'm going to be showcasing is uBlock Origin, which is an extension that blocks advertisements on web pages. Let's search uBlock and hit enter. Be wary of fake extensions. Here we see a few results. Take note of uBlock Origin's reviews versus the simple uBlock. As extensions are programs installed on your computer, be sure to do your research to make sure you aren't installing malware or viruses. Let's click on uBlock Origin. On this page, we see sample screenshots as well as the description of the extension. Always check these out to see if the extension is something you are looking for. Checking out the reviews on the extension may also aid in seeing its legitimacy. If you're ready to install an extension, hit the blue Add to Chrome button. You'll get a pop-up saying what permissions the extension requires. If any of these seem suspicious to you, trust your gut and deny the installation. If you trust the extension, then add it to Chrome. You can manage your extensions, including disabling or uninstalling them by going to the three dots in the upper right, going to More Tools, and hitting Extensions. The slider over here enables or disables the extension, while the Remove button uninstalls it from your computer. And those are the basics of extensions on Google Chrome.